Time is a gift. Use it wisely and make every moment count. Time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you lost it, you can never get it back. Time is the fire in which we burn. Time is what we make of it, the moments we create and cherish. Time is the currency of life. Spend it wisely. Time is the scarcest resource, and unless it is managed, nothing else can be managed. Time is the most valuable asset you don't own. Time is a valuable thing. Waste it wisely. Time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice, because the flow that has passed will never pass again. Time is a precious commodity. Use it wisely. Time is the longest distance between two places. Time is the coin of your life. It is the only coin you have, and only you can determine how it will be spent. Time is a great healer. Time is the wisest counselor of all. The trouble is, you think you have time. Time is a precious resource. Don't waste it. Time waits for no one. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. If you want like that video, please subscribe my channel and comment more.